provincial security people out there. Just before 6 a.m., January 25th, 2024. We're down here at Gilli and Camiguin Creek. Here's our mission for the day. It's not near impossible. Anyhow, I'll be back. Ready to rock and roll. Got the gloves, the sacks, everything out. Which means bottles in one bag, cans in another, glass in another, and then all the trash in the fourth one. If they look like this and they got sand in them and stuff, they're basura. We cannot recycle these. Only the clean bottles, plastic goes in these bags here. And don't
into a trash.
Yeah, that's trash because it's full of sand. One of you can do metal, maybe 2 metal, and then the rest here is the basura. Everything else, the diapers, the nasty bottles and all that. Yep, that's your pickup hand. You can grab a sack here. You can be trash, so you're starting out a garbage girl. Sorry, but it's true. And all the little stuff, all the little cellophane, and the party's not over yet. We still got some little stuff to pick up, all this little stuff here.
Have your week scale?
Yeah, I brought the scale. You can weigh it all, so you got an official record of it. So this looks 100% better now. There's still a little bit left. I'm going to go ahead and document this.
Record next ang ato timbang ni kita.
Go ahead and write it down. Then stack it up on the far end there and then just start working down, I guess. We're going to clean up Kaboom on Sunday, but let me get a picture here. You guys did great, and thanks for coming, everyone. Quick video of after our cleanup. And this is the way the beach should look. Oh, there's still a little bit in there, but all in all, this beach is clean. Nice for picnics and swimming now.